Okay, so we're at the Hawaiian volcano here. We're exploring the summit of Kailua, and this is just a little journey map going around the crater rim. So we're heading now. As you can see, there's quite a few signs here saying extreme fire danger, and we've got a sign here that says Steaming Bluff Overlook to Crater Rim Trail. So we're just going to walk along here and take a look. A bit of a gravel road. Be venturing. See a bit of smouldering going on in the grass over there. Bit of sulphur across the road here as well. Up the track we go. Some steam coming out of the grass there. Quite a few people out today venturing and having a look at the steam vents. Good hiking and walking tracks. Good way to get exercise. So we've got a few other signs coming up here. So we'll have a little look. Overturning to the very core of the earth. It shows the eruption of 2018, which was historic but not without precedent. So having a look here, it just gives a bit of a time frame. The eruptions. One due again soon, episode 37.